Hi! Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but I'm back. I am renewed. Today I'm painting something new. Technically something old because I found it at the trash. Someone just threw it away. Look, it's a chair. It's so beautiful. It's just plain white. I ain't liking that. I'm thinking rainbow. Yeah, rainbow and beautiful. That's it. I'm painting a chair that I found at the trash. Okay, enjoy. I wanted to start with removing the old paint from the chair, but as I realized before with another furniture, I'm not good at that, so I just skipped it all together and started painting. I started with the dark blue paint. It's the same color as the bedroom. It's perfect for my art room. It's so good. It's such a dark, rich color. In the original inspiration picture I found on Pinterest, the chair was black and then rainbow like I wanted, but I don't have black paint in that amount and I don't want a black chair. I love blue. Blue is the perfect color in my color scheme, in my life, in everything. Our whole apartment is blue and I want it to stay that way, even with my chair. It's such a good color. It needed 4 layers before it was actually even and beautiful, but that's okay. I had the time to make 4 layers. So I started from red to purple on my rainbow. I feel like it's the only way to start a rainbow. Always start with red. I love the rainbow. The rainbow is just the best. The red color covered nicely. The blue color covered perfectly. And the purple color, amazing. But orange, yellow, and green, they needed 8 coats. That's too many coats of paint. I mean, what? That's too much. I'm okay with it because I had the time to do it. The hardest part was actually flipping the chair on my dining room table as I was painting the chair. I love that I've made a rainbow chair. All my dreams coming true. Making art is the greatest thing ever. I'm so happy. It's so beautiful. I can't even describe how happy I am. It's just the best. Making art is the greatest thing in life. There, I did it. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy about it. Hey, darling. Ah, good boy. Good boy. Are you seeing this? Good boy. Hi. Okay, high five. Yeah. Oh, you're the best. You good boy. You're the best. Okay, jump up here. Good boy. Isn't that the best? Good boy. That's it. That's it. Okay? Oh my goodness, he's the cutest. And you can't see it because he's standing there. But rainbow chair. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, I am so distracted. He's so cute. He doesn't trust me. I have 2 hands. I can have 2 snacks. Stop being horny on camera. Okay. I'm just gonna censor that for a while. He's horny. There we go. But I painted my chair and I'm so happy I did it. I had so much doubt about how pretty this was gonna be, but it's so pretty. And approved by dog. You wanna get down? You get there? Oh. Okay, now you can kind of see the rainbow. But yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it. And so happy to make videos again. God, he's cute. Okay, see you next time. Hopefully next week. Best boy. You are the cutest little thing ever. Thank you.